Hey guys, welcome back to Hello RC. This is Jason, and tonight I'm out here with Liz and Wyatt, and we had a little giveaway going on. If you were able to guess what our next rig was that Liz...
They can't even see what it is from the box.
Yeah, that Liz picked out, but
let's open it.
We do have a couple of people that guessed right, so you guys will be in the running to win a set of our 3D printed inserts. But Liz can't wait to open up her new little rig here, and Wyatt has no clue what it is. So let's go ahead and get started. You excited?
Yes.
Yeah. Wyatt's excited too. You don't know what it is, and it's really cool.
It is really neat. I hope you love it.
What's that?
And Wyatt's got his big knife out tonight, not the baby knife. The official unboxing knife is with us. And oh, there goes the box. And there it is. So for those of you that guessed the 1/6 scale MB scaler,
He doesn't even know what it is yet.
we will be competing to win a set of our foams for you. And we'll explain what we're going to compete with here in a minute. But let's open this up. Well,
It comes in a cool little case.
yeah, the case is really awesome. It's like luggage. It's professional. Oh my gosh. Look at that freaking thing.
Army Jeep.
That is so cool. Wow. Wow.
The remote came in pieces.
That,
Remote's in pieces.
yeah, it's, you put it together. It comes,
That's neat.
it like slides
it's like
together.
One of those you put you put in a oh, you can't say
Beep.
it's like look at that.
That is pretty cool there.
That is neat.
Nice little remote.
I guess
but-
it's kind of army-ish.
See what else we got in the box. The box is awesome. Fits the truck perfectly. Got some directions and
This box is
just a little bit of
cool.
packaging. No bags. But let's get the box out of the way and you guys take a look at this awesome Jeep.
Oh, it's neat.
Liz is gonna inspect it here and
Wyatt's gonna inspect it.
check it out.
So we saw this guy driving on the trail. You like it, Wyatt?
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
So 1/6 scale.
Is the hood open?
Yeah.
It does open. I don't know how, but I think it just
does.
pulls up. Not there. Just the hood.
That guy's hood flipped this way.
Oh, there you go. It's got a nice little molded engine underneath. We can paint that up and make it look real.
Look, Wyatt. This thingy turns when the wheels turn.
No, it doesn't.
It
It
sure
does.
does.
But
Wait
it's
till you drive it.
it's done by a servo, so it's not actually connected to
It-
the tires.
It does.
But it
Like,
does.
You put a little motion figure right here, a person, and they can hang onto the steering wheel. It looks like they're really driving.
It does. It's really awesome.
And they're going out of stock like really soon.
Discontinued.
And so
Yeah.
we had to get our hands on one.
Feel the seats.
Wyatt,
Check out the seats.
I did feel them.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're like real fabric and
Yeah.
real cushions. The dashboard looks really cool.
The tiny tires are cool.
Yeah, how they feel.
And look, it's got an axe and a shovel.
Yeah.
What about them springs? Are
Ooh,
those
they feel
metal?
good.
Those are metal
Yeah.
shocks.
Nice big shocks.
You like it, Wyatt?
How about
You
your
like it?
axles underneath? How they look?
I don't know.
Oh, they look good. It looks pretty solid. It's got a 550
It's got
motor.
a motor in there?
Yeah, it's got a motor. What do you
kind
think's
of
going
motor
on?
comes with it?
It's just a brushed 550, but I think it comes with a Hobby Wing 1060 ESC. So it's got a pretty good ESC, and the motor I think is pretty nice.
You can't even see the motor. How are you supposed to get to the motor?
You got to unhook the body.
Oh, that's the tough one,
Yeah.
he said.
Yeah, there's some body pins.
somewhere
Oh,
here.
they're big. I see them, the big silver ones.
Oh.
You want to pull them out and check it out?
Wyatt, you want to look inside it? You want to look inside it?
And Liz did order a top for it
How
too.
do you get in there? Is there
It
another
hinges
thing?
up from the back.
That's
There
it?
you go.
I'm not gonna
Yep.
break it?
Nope, you're not gonna break it. Just on a hinge.
Huh? Whoa. You mean, seriously, it's a hinge?
Yeah, that's it. Just hinges in the front.
That is so weird.
Yep. There's where your battery's gonna go.
That's nice.
There's your nice motor and transmission there. There's your Hobby Wing speed controller.
It seems pretty nice.
XT60 plug. There's your receiver.
Dude, this is a good price,
Yeah,
too.
that's pretty solid. Solid little truck. Bet you can't wait to drive it.
I can't.
It's gonna be fun.
I know it.
But on to our
And
competition.
we got some kind of neat little back to go on,
Yes,
too.
the fabric top that's
There'll
gonna
be a
go on the
fabric
top.
It'll look so cute.
Yes. But tell them how we're going to decide who wins the tire inserts.
I already wrote in the comment. We're doing
Oh,
a,
why it's yelling at
we're
Nova.
doing that drawing.
Yeah, so
like
we're
we
going to
did
play crawl or pool. Each of us will represent one of the people that guessed this correctly.
The one guy guessed right off the bat.
Yeah, first one.
comment.
And then it was there for everybody else to see, and nobody only
How do you know?
yeah, not everybody said that, but a lot of people had some really good suggestions on
Can't find where
bigger
these
trucks.
pins out at.
I've looked at a lot of different trucks based on those comments.
Oh, it was out of the back, wasn't it?
Yeah. But yeah, we'll have a game of crawl or pool here, maybe in the next day or two, to determine who wins these tire inserts. And it's going to be a lot of fun.
It's
So
a
what do you
really
think?
Cool truck.
Yeah.
You better get your hands on one.
Yep. Awesome.
Amazon.
You going to take it out to that quarry and drive it around?
I don't know. It definitely needs bigger tires to go out there.
Yeah.
This is really just teeny little trail.
Yep. They do feel really good though. Even though they're tiny tires, I think they're gonna perform halfway decent. But
It looks like a little army truck.
yeah, super.
Does this thing open? No, it's just
Cool.
fake.
Yep.
We gotta get a little person to go in it.
Yep. We do. We gotta find a little Liz doll.
Yes. Okay.
All right. Well, thanks for watching, guys. And like I said, we'll get our crawler pool game to determine the winner of the tire inserts and get them shipped out. So
Thanks for watching.
see you later.